How to fix hotspot not working error problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix hotspot not working error problem. For this, you first of all want to turn on the flight mode. So go ahead and turn on the flight mode over here. After you have turned on the flight mode for 5 minutes, you simply want to turn off the flight mode. Now you want to open Hotspot and check if your problem has been fixed. If it is still not fixed, you want to open up your settings. Now, here you want to scroll down and find the option of General Management. Then you want to tap on the Reset option over here. Find the option of Reset Network Settings. Now, if you are using dual SIM, you want to select your preferred SIM card from here. Then tap on the Reset Settings option. This is going to reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. If you do not find the Reset Network option from General Management, you can head over to Settings, tap on the search bar over here, and then simply search for Reset Network option and then reset your network over here. After you have reset your network, you simply want to restart your device. So go ahead and tap on the Restart option. After you have restarted your device, your hotspot problem will be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.